Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to connect Gleam Crypto Bot to TonKeeper Wallet. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, you have to install TonKeeper, download and install the TonKeeper Wallet app from the official website or your device's app store. Create a new wallet or import an existing one by following the on-screen instructions. The second step is to set up your Gleam account. Visit the Gleam website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Complete any necessary verification steps to activate your account. The following step is to access wallet connection options. Navigate to the settings or integration section within your Gleam account. Look for the option to connect a wallet or add a new wallet. The fourth step is to authorize TonKeeper. So select TonKeeper from the list of supported wallets. Open your TonKeeper app and locate the connection request, then approve it. This may involve scanning a QR code or confirming a transaction. The last step is to verify a connection. So once connected, return to your Gleam account to confirm that your TonKeeper wallet is linked. Check the wallet balance and transaction history to ensure everything is functioning correctly. So yeah guys, after following these steps, you should successfully connect your Gleam Crypto Bot to your TonKeeper wallet. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.